Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Zarandikar. My topic for presentation is an efficient ad recommendation system for TV programs. So with broadcast television going digital, the number of channels and the programs aired have increased tremendously. Millions of audiences of various categories like adults, children, youths and even families watch these programs, and advertisements aired during these programs are targeted to reach these different types of audiences, and the main revenue earners for TV broadband is through these ads. While TV broadcasters have the task of scheduling hundreds of ads during the various ad breaks of programs, it is important that the ads shown during any ad breaks have a good impact on the viewers. So depending on the types of users and even the types of shows that are broadcasted through the television, the ads are changing. Even the same ad can be broadcasted to different types of audiences. So we'll first go through the important parameters that are considered. So first is ad or program content. So what is that? I mean, what type of program is broadcasted, like it is a sports game or reality show or family show. So depending on that, the types of ad changes. Second is viewers interest, what kind of audience view the show. Third is sponsor's preference, which is the main parameter to be considered. Fourth is program timing, like at what time the show is broadcasted, in the morning or in the evening or during late night. So depending on that also the types of ad changes. Fifth is the program popularity, that depends on the TRP of the show. And second is the available ad slot. So there are a lot of competition for ads to be shown during the popular programs. So availability of the slots is very important. Since the same ad can be recommended to more than one program depending upon multiple parameters, fuzzy clustering acts as a well-suited algorithm for this recommendation system, and perhaps it is the best algorithm because there is no other algorithm which can recommend you the same ad to be shown in the multiple programs. This is the architecture diagram for the system. It takes ad databases, program databases, plus viewer profile management, as well as it considers the sponsor's preference. Plus, it has a rating management for each program, and ad recommendation is engine is the core part of this system. So it has clustering agent, scheduling, plus sequencing agent. Fuzzy clustering algorithm is well known for clustering patterns to various clusters with different degrees of membership. Though the applications of fuzzy clustering analysis usually use numerical data, but in this case we are going to use pure text partitioning, and it is usually successful in various applications, but it is rarely applied for semi-structured data. So we will use k-mean algorithm for this clustering of data. The second part is we have divided the categories into n categories, like depending on the type of people, I mean the age group of people, plus then context of the program: food, drink, healthy or health or beauty, or financial shows. Plus there are different kinds of celebrity shows, so depending on that also you can have different types of programs. So sequencing agent, so there is one rule, like you cannot show similar ads one after other, like two competitor companies cannot display their ads one after another. The audience will not be audience is not interested in such things. Plus the scheduling of the ads should be fixed, like fuzzy clustering gives the first level recommendation of ads for various programs. So this clustering is based on video profile matches, viewers interest and sponsor preference. Also, the paper suggests that they have used fuzzy K mode clustering instead of just simple K mean algorithm. The thing is, like K means based fuzzy clustering technique performs very well, not only on numerical data but also on categorical text data. So we have combination of both numerical as well as text data. That's why it works better with this system, with this kind of system. So you can see, like you have news, sports, movies, and these clusters are shown here, and these are the time at which the show is broadcasted. So depending on the considering the current state of the system and prediction system, the capacity is shown for available capacity is shown for the program. So from Monday 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. you can have like you have capacity of 15 advertisements to be displayed. So similarly you have these capacities to be displayed, capacities to be predicted. So from this diagram, user can come to know like what are the available positions and decide the ads for the specific spots. These are the references I have used. Thank you.